Today we have this lawnmower that starts but behaves like this. It refused to just run, so let's move on to the repair. This behavior looks like a carburetor issue, so we'll start there. It's time to take a look inside the carburetor. The carburetor screen is as clean as a customer's tear, but the gasket under the diaphragm has fused with the carburetor. Fortunately, Editing Magic will take care of that. We install a new diaphragm with a gasket, and the carburetor is ready for reassembly. We cleaned the air filter housing and reinstalled the carburetor. After reinstalling the carburetor, we made the fateful decision to replace the fuel lines, which we did. Now we install the air filter and it's time to start it up.